The reactions, Prabhu, coming in from the Sunni Waqf Board and other important members of the Muslim community, the intellectuals, the clergy and the politicians seem to indicate a certain sense of disappointment at the verdict. Some are voicing it more than the others, but there is a palpable sense of disappointment.
Rahul, that was what I was saying in the beginning. Yeah? We can all say it's a good judgment. But ultimately, what is happening? Jilani represented all of them. He said it's not acceptable. Even one-third is not acceptable. How you divide it? That's the second question. It's a good judgment as all of us expect it to be. They are also welcoming it. But when it comes to implementation, they are saying no. That place where the mandir is now, it is not acceptable to them. That's what he said very clearly. So therefore, what are you welcoming for? Because disputed people, they will go to Supreme Court. Okay, Supreme Court gives the same judgment. We can't anticipate the judgment. But we must be looking into the realities of the future. Wounds of the past, which is history, okay, they have been being corrected. But we should be very realistic in our approach when we are discussing the subject. But there has to be atmosphere created, because the same thing which has happened in the judgment today. It was one of the proposals which was proposed in the Political Affairs Committee of the Cabinet by Mr. V.P. Singh as Prime Minister, and some of the Sangh Parivar members were consulted at that point of time. I am aware, privy to the discussion, and after that one of my colleagues, my good friend Arun Shourie, who had access to all the discussion, wrote an article in the newspaper, Ram Lalla ka mandir to wahi hai. He said Ram Lalla ka mandir hai, why not have a masjid next door? But that was opposed at that point of time. Now they are welcoming the same judgment. If the judgment is the reflection of what V.P. Singh proposed to them, ordinance was being issued and ordinance was withdrawn. So your conviction changes according to your time.
Nirmala Sitharaman, respond to that. That if this is something which is acceptable, one-third, 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 Prabhu says this could have been done 20 years ago.
Well, I don't think we can look back at history like that and be very cold and say we could have done it then. Ideas evolve. Now it's a verdict of a court which has come again on the basis of some facts. We will have to respect judgments, and which all of us did say till yesterday. Nothing has changed till today. And at this stage, what I would look forward to is look at the judgment, possibly start moving in such a way that we are able to bring all people together, talk about it, talk as much as about it as possible, and to make it workable. I respect the decision if the Sunni Waqf Board wants to go to the Supreme Court, because that option should exist for anybody. But at the same time, I think it has gone through very crucial evidence and come out with a judgment which gives us a lot of options to work out possibilities. And for one, we have to affirm the fact that all the three judges have recognized the claim that it is indeed the birthplace of Ram. And from there starts a lot of negotiations from which we can have alternatives.
Let me go across to Gaurav Sawant.
We cannot anymore dispute that.
Joining us from Lucknow at this time, Gaurav, there's peace all across Uttar Pradesh, there's peace all across India, and that's the hope that it stays that way. But what's been the response from people out in the streets of Lucknow? It's been really tense in Lucknow last couple of days. What's been the response now that this verdict is out?
Well, now that the verdict is out, initially when we went to Hazratganj, which is the heart of Lucknow, all shops, all establishments were shut after the verdict, immediately after the verdict. But later in the evening, some shops started reopening. Some of the eateries are now open. Of course, the government establishment, the government machinery, whether it's the police, the Rapid Action Force, the Central Reserve Police, they're out on the streets in sensitive areas in full strength. So they are on the streets to ensure nothing untoward happens. But clearly, people are confident that the situation has been received well. The verdict has been received well. From virtually all television channels, this is something that has come out, and that's played a very important role. I've spoken to people on the streets, I've spoken to people in these restaurants, and they've said this verdict has been well received, an extremely complicated verdict, an extremely complicated case, a complex case, but it's come out well. I spoke to my sources in the police, and they are saying the next 24 hours, they would like to watch the situation very closely. They'd like to monitor the situation over the next 24 hours before finally perhaps heaving a sigh of relief.